Hello children, let's begin with the topic of the advancing monsoon, that is the rainy season of the climate chapter. Already I have told you regarding the how the monsoon arrives in India. It is all due to the southwest monsoon winds. These southeast trade winds and the northeast trade winds, they reaches to the equator. They join there as the and forms ITCZ. Then these winds, due to Coriolis force, turn towards this side, crosses the equator, move towards India as the southwest monsoon winds. These winds bring rainfall almost all over the country. The western side of the Western Ghats receive heavy rainfall because these strikes first in the path of the southwest monsoon winds. And this side of the that is leeward side of the Western Ghats, that is the rain shadow area, also receive rainfall but very less rainfall. Another branch of the southwest monsoon that flows from the Bay of Bengal reaches to the northeastern states. This area also receives very heavy rainfall. Mawsynram, the wettest place of the world, receives the rainfall more than 400 centimeter. After this, these winds strikes the Himalayas, then move towards the Ganga plains. But the rainfall starts decreasing from the east towards the west. Okay. So, due to which this area receives less rainfall comparatively to the northeast states of the India. Later on, the whole of the country is occupied by this southwest monsoon winds. Windward side of the Western Ghats receive more than 250 centimeter of rainfall. Rain shadow area also receive rainfall, but that is less. Maximum rainfall in the northeastern part of India. Rainfall decreases from east to west. Rajasthan and Gujarat receives very rainfall because they are a little bit far away from these areas. Especially the desert area, it receives very less rainfall. Another phenomena that is associated with the monsoon or the rainy season is the break in the monsoon. You have observed that during the rainy season, the rainfall does not continue for the whole month. Rainfall is there for 3 days, 4 days or 1 week. Okay. After that, there are 4-5 days of sunny weather is there. That is called as the break in the monsoon. Because what happened during that duration, this monsoon trough, it keeps on moving from north to south. When this monsoon trough is in the Ganga plains, it brings flood in this area. Okay. When it reaches flood in this area and heavy rainfall. When it reaches to the Uttarakhand state or the upper Himalayas, there also it causes heavy rainfall. Rivers bring floods to the plain areas. But the floods that are brought by the rivers, it also enriches the soil. So, next topic is tropical depressions follow axis of the monsoon trough. During the same time, tropical depressions, that is the cyclones, are formed in the Bay of Bengal. They also bring light rainfall in these, that is southern parts of the India, eastern coastal plain of the India. So these monsoon winds are very important for all over the country, that has bind together all over the India.